Pasta with vegan bolognese sauce recipe. Yield, 4 servings. Prep time, 5 minutes. Cook time, 15 minutes. Total time, 20 minutes. Ingredients, pasta. 2.5 cups 210 grams uncooked penne, GF if desired. 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters olive oil. 1 small onion, thinly sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup 200 grams PUL vegan chorizo or store-bought vegan chorizo or mock minced meat. 1 red bell pepper, chopped. 3/4 cup 130 grams pitted green olives. 1/2 cup 100 grams oil-packed artichoke hearts, drained, quartered. 1/3 cup 20 grams oil-packed sun-dried tomatoes, drained, chopped. 2 cups 500 grams tomato pasta sauce. 10 cherry tomatoes, whole or halved. 1 teaspoon 5 grams dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Ingredients, optional toppings. 1/4 cup 35 grams roasted pine nuts. 1/4 cup 6 grams fresh basil. Fresh arugula. Thinly sliced scallions, green onions. Directions. 1. Cook pasta according to package directions. 2. In a large skillet on high, add the oil, onion and garlic and cook for 2 minutes. Add the vegan chorizo, bell pepper, olives, artichokes and sun-dried tomato and cook for another 2 minutes. Finally, add the pasta sauce, oregano, cherry tomatoes, salt and pepper. When hot and bubbling, remove from heat. 3. Top drained pasta with chorizo mixture. Garnish and enjoy. Notes 1. Variations. There are already mushrooms in our PUL vegan chorizo, but if you'd like you can add more mushrooms to this recipe. If so, add it after the onion and garlic and cook until the water evaporates, about 7 minutes. Add other spices of your choosing, such as dry basil or paprika powder. 2. Up the nutrition, by using whole grain penne pasta, upping the fiber. 3. Storage, store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends.